Well, hello, assalamu alaikum, and once again, welcome here in my videos and English speaking practice videos. Yep, it is, and that's after a long time. I'm here to speaking my English. Actually, I was so busy with my personal stuff and yeah, some other things. So I was so busy. That's why I couldn't make any video. But I practice every single day, listening, writing, and speaking as well. But I'm not recording. But I'm not gonna record any video or which I can be uploaded in this group. So that's why I'm really sorry for it. But finally, after roughly 2 months, I'm gonna make a video with a very familiar topic that everybody know about it. Everybody know that in our country, in Bangladesh, is this winter season is now ongoing. So every day it is so cold. In winter season it used to be cold. Yep. But today I think one of the lowest temperature in this winter season. Today the temperature is 13 degrees Celsius in here in at Narshingdi. So I don't know. I live in this place since I was born here, and also I really know everything about the weather, about the circumstances of this place. But today's weather and everything is a little bit different. It seems to me it's fully different. I don't know how. I don't know why. Everything is just gonna change. I never seen before this kind of rushes to weather or everything just become worst and dispose. Like right now I stand behind one of the biggest watershed or branches of a river, Brahmaputra, and it's called the Gagotia Bill. um, Bill mean water reservoir. Everybody know the watershed or reservoir. So I'm gonna show you. This is the branches of Brahmaputra river. Let me tell you some about this watershed. Once upon a time, I get laugh. Actually, when I was child, then saw, I have been saw in my own eyes. There's a lot of fish, numerous fish, good amount of fish, almost each and every little um water reservoir. Actually, when it's become a dry, when the dry seasons coming, then the watershed just gradually reduce the water, and the little is just divided with little hole or blank or something like that. So in every piece of blank and ponds or some kind of, it's kind of water reservoir, but it's little divided so many water reservoir, little water reservoir. So when the people just reduce the water, that displace the water with the machines, then they could get a lot of fish, different kind of fish. Is a native fish. I don't know every name of this fish, but I used to catch it with them, and I'm also involved with this work. But today, nowadays, find, we couldn't get that much fish. I couldn't see barely. I couldn't see. How can I catch it? How can I get it? I couldn't see that much fish nowadays. Everything just destroyed. I don't know why. Maybe it is just a curse which came from the divine, which came from the God, I think. Because, you know, we are not so grateful. We're not so grateful. Yeah, we are so grateful, but now we are not show our greatness to Allah. So that is why maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reduce our earth, our property, our blessings, and actually it is so hard for us and for me. I especially I sometimes I think about it, but I couldn't find any solution, any awful solution for it. Yep, definitely. It's very worst things that's happen to us, and in the future, we don't know what's gonna happen to us and next in our future life. So we should be aware. We should be aware for everything. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching this video, and I became so emotional. So I'm sorry for that, and thank you.